Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I need download driver Canon. This is for the Canon driver. This is for serial. You type here for the driver download. Okay, and this is why I'm search the official website for you. I'm like download the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for this for the official website for the official website. This here for support your official website. Click here. And this here for detect my operating system for the Windows 10. Detect automatic. And if you need for the Mac the operating system for the Linux or the Magentals, you click here. This here for the operating system for the Linux or the Magentals. Okay, and this here this free I need download driver for Windows and specific for the Windows 11. Okay, click here for the Windows 11 and this here for the printer Windows 11 support, and this here for the Windows printer and functionality print security parts, and this here for the printer support. If you need download, you click here and press what, get back. Okay, this here for March the printer, and this here for package driver setup package. Okay, if you need download the package, and I am recommendation for you download for the package. This here for package for full support, and this here for the specific for the printer and scanner functionality or product download. If you need the printer and scanner, this here for download for driver, and I am need the printer or the scanner. Okay, this is for not the download the package. This is for the printer and scanner. Click here, and this is for driver information. This is for system requirement for the Windows support. Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11. Okay, and if you need download, you click here for red button download, and this here for your driver download. If you need install driver for the your printer, you turn on the power printer. You put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer and press Y. Finish driver download. If you finish driver download, you double click file. You click next and you click finish. This here for the back automatic your operating system. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link, note below description the video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you next time the video.